Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiana, and today I'm going to be doing swatches of 6 out of the 24 Wet n Wild Silk Finish lipsticks. I have them here. Super gorgeous colors, and Wet n Wild claims that this is a silk finish, that it's a rich color, have vitamins A and E, and it also has aloe vera, and that it feels like you're putting silk on your lips. And I don't know about you, but anything silky, of course, I want on my lips. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Lips about to be dry. Oh, by the way, before we get started, if you want to know how I got this Kim K inspired makeup look, I will link that in the description box below. So let's get started. Take some of that chapstick off so you can really see the color. Yeah, let me actually take it all off, you know. Lips stained already, so you know it's gonna be long lasting. Make sure I ain't got no lipstick on teeth. Okay, let's continue. These colors are so pretty. know I'm gonna get questions on why I decided to put the lip liner on top of the lipstick versus underneath it. And it's really just a personal preference of mine. Sometimes I'll do it on top, sometimes underneath it. But for this video and for time and the sanity of my lips, I decided to only do it on top so that I can swatch the lipsticks one time versus 2 times. So that is why. Okay, beauties, after swatching all 6 of the shades, I can honestly say these are some of the most comfortable lipsticks I've ever worn in my entire life. They're super silky and they do stain, but that is because I swatched 6 different colors. And the colors are very, very vibrant and very affordable. So I really like these lipsticks and I say go ahead and give them a try. I mean, they're 99 cents and they have 24 colors. I was super surprised to find all of these shades super flattering on my skin tone. This color is absolutely beautiful. These are not your typical colors that you see every single day, which I like. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos Tuesday, Thursdays, and Fridays. And as always, I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye, beauties. Chapstick right now because I already know what kind of video this is gonna be. You never know. You know how you would like drink Kool-Aid or eat a red popsicle? This is how my lips are looking. Very pigmented at the moment.